Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application focused on the design field. If you are a designer, do not miss us. Welcome to the Archmaster official site to start creating. We have already begun producing Archmaster video tutorials and will keep updating them on YouTube. Friends interested in Archmaster, be sure to subscribe. Today's episode will explain how to use style consistency for consistent style AI creation across multiple viewpoints. Okay, let's begin. In the past, AI creation could only target a single frame. What if we have several frames at once and need the AI output to stay consistent? Archmaster has the solution. We developed a feature called style consistency, whose job is to generate multiple renderings that share the exact same style. That way, when we want to render an architectural model, we can output identical looking images from every angle. The same applies to landscape, interior, and planning projects. Trust that style consistency will send your design efficiency and quality sky high. Let's see how to use it. First, open the Archmaster homepage, enter AI tool, locate style consistency. Then upload base images of your model from different angles. Enter a description. If you're stuck, use generator. After the prompt is set, pick the design style and domain that match your goal architecture, interior, landscape, bird's eye. All domains are available. If you want the scheme unchanged, choose Architecture General with realistic consistency. The renders will stay close to the original model. You can also upload a style reference image. The outputs will hug that mood. Then adjust conformity of the base image. For creative freedom, set it 0.4 to 0.6. For precision, while keeping the scheme intact and still looking great, 0.6 to 0.8. Set it to whatever your creative needs demand. To lock the original materials, use material locking. Set it too low to keep base textures while still giving the AI room. Set too high, and the image can get stiff from too many constraints. Since we're using a style reference, we leave material locking off. Everything ready, hit generate. A short wait and your renderings appear. If any spot looks off, grab image in Paint for a quick local fix. You can also swap the style reference to spawn another scheme. Let's swap the base to a simple massing, motto same clicks. Same workflow in minutes. Your white block turns into crisp, star-matched renders. Swap the reference again for a different vibe. Now you've got client-ready options. Landscape, interior, planning, same drill. Just tweak the prompt and style, and within minutes the AI delivers multi-angle, style-locked renders. No more worrying about mismatched AI outputs. Now, have you mastered style consistency? Any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply one by one. That's it for today. Friends interested in Archmaster, subscribe. The Archmaster site link is pinned in the comments. Welcome to use it. See you next time.